gonna open our kids
Piso challenge.
Piso challenge.
And look at this one.
Magkano kaya ang laman?
Okay, Chikay, come here, Chikay.
And ang hinawakan ni Daddy ay kay Chikay.
This is the can
Opener.
open.
Magkano kaya ang laman kay Chikay at kay Kuya Trunks? I think they're just fair. Kasi fair lang naman yung nilalagay ko sa ano nila. Sa money bank nila.
Okay, we will count, Chikay, ha?
Kasi ano
Your
eh,
money.
kasi oh, look, tingnan nyo, too full na kasi, parang na crumple na yung pera. Tutulit na. So, yan. Ilagay na lang namin sa bank account nila.
Here. Not listening.
Okay, so yan guys. Let's see. Magkano ba? Kuya's next.
Okay.
Wow, it's. Oh, I help you.
Oh, you put the hundreds here and the 1,000 over
Okay.
there.
So you should save para
Oh,
nag-iipon kami sa aming dream house. Charot.
This is their share for the dream house.
Yeah, that's their share.
Chikay and Kuya Trunks is very excited.
Thank you. Shout out to thank you sa mga nagbigay sa kanila ng mga gifts na money. Kami Lola Taya. Oh, sometimes will give Chikay. And then, ang malakas ang madam. Our all-time madam. Tita Maya. Maya Mer. Nagbibigay yan ng ano, ng pera. Tita Pretty. Para ilagay sa ano nila. Piggy bank. Thank you, Tita Maya. Our Lola. Our Lolo.
Kuya, wait for your turn. Kaya hindi
Papa,
masyado
B
ang money.
is in the.
Alam nyo na, ha? Huwag na lang gift, ha? Ano na lang, ha? Cash na lang. Cash na lang. Gift is good, but we prefer cash.
Gift is good, but we prepare cash.
Ayun. So, ilan naman naka-thousands?
Hindi ko
Ayan.
pinilang.
So, si Kuya, kaya ganyan yung outfit niya kasi bagong Chloe. So, isa na siyang ganap na lalaki.
Litsu. Kuya, kamusta lang Litsu?
And mine
Ayan.
is
So, ano na siya? Ulit tao. Ulit na tao.
Mine is 100.
That's not 100, that's 1,000.
Yeah, but 1,000 looks like.
So, that's Chikay's. Tsaka, yan, ide-deposit na lang namin yan sa bank account.
Deposit namin sa
Magkano kaya?
bank account.
Magkano kaya?
Meanwhile.
Okay, so after further investigation, Chikay got 50,000. And now it's Kuya's turn. I think Kuya's turn is only 1,000 inside.
Kuya,
Yung coins kasi nila, nilagay na namin dun sa piggy bank na baboy at saka girl. Nabigay ng kasamahan ni Daddy Bookie na teacher. Kasi yung mga coins nila nandun lang. Mga ano lang yun, mga laman nun, 3,000, ganyan. 4K. Kasi puro 5 pesos, 10 pesos, at 20 peso coin yung nilalagay namin. Hindi kami naglalagay ng piso, tsaka 25 cents. Sige na, you open it. Yan. So, it's Kuya Trunks' turn. Sana ano yan, 100K. Charot. Sige. Let Daddy help you. Ayan. Yun yung contribution nila sa house.
and this will be their contribution for the dream house.
Oh Oh my God! Wow!
Okay.
Oo, lang plan na. Dali. Ayan, kay kuya. Yan, yung mga coins nilalagay na lang namin doon sa piggy bank. Mag-isi?
Wait. May money siya. Yan, money kang tungiso nila, chikay. Yan nila siya.
Ayan. May scam pa talaga. Play money. Ano ba yan, chikay? Talagang i-scamming mo pa yung bank. Ayan. Iba-iba kasi sila ng bank account. Si Trunk sa Asia United Bank at saka si Chikay sa BDO. PD Savers Bank.
A few moments later.
Ayan. So, yan. Close na lang namin to 50k each sa kanila. Yan ang bank book ni Chikay at saka kay Trunks ATM lang kasi. So, mag-deposit na lang si Daddy. Tomorrow kasi open mo ng video basta Saturday. At saka si Kuya Trunks sa Monday na kasi walang mall na AUB. So, yan sa Monday na siya. Okay, that's it for today. Bye guys! If you haven't liked, please like, subscribe, and what else, Chikay?
Chikay,
Chikay, what else?
please
Please like
like
and subscribe. Look at the camera
Subscribe and click the bell.
to be notified to our upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye-bye guys!
If you don't like our video, click the subscribe.
If you don't like our video, click subscribe. Okay.